Hello and welcome to the Lazy Gardener. Today we're going to take some rosemary and we're going to pot it from a clipping. So this clipping has been on my kitchen window in a glass of water for about 2 weeks, and as you can see it's got some fantastic roots on there, and it's about time that this bad boy gets put into a little tiny pot. And I'm going to use some rooting hormone to do this. This is Clone X. It is a rooting hormone that will help it get established. So it tells you on here that you've got to decant this into a cup, dip it in and throw it away, but we're not going to do that because, well, it's a waste, isn't it? So what I do is, first off, I take my tiny little cup, I take some nice soil, and this soil is only got it's got perlite in it. It's got some slow release fertilizer, so it's everything this little plant needs to develop. So you take your lovely twig of rosemary and you pop it deep down into the rooting hormone, just like that, and you can see it's nicely coated. Pop him in, hold him with some fingers and firm in the soil around him. You might need a little bit more. Just do it until he's nice and firm. Make sure you water him in well. So then he goes in a place like a sunny windowsill or anywhere that he's not going to be stressed out by the elements. Right, he's not ready for that yet. Or she. It smells amazing. It smells really great. So this is a great way of getting a clip in and using it to make a cutting and a tree. Right, now we want a little bit of this. This is just plain water, and we're just going to soak this really well. There we go. Don't want to overdo the water, but don't underdo it either. What fantastic advice. Okay, so that is the Clone X here. It's really quite cool. I've used it a couple of times on clippings. Anything that helps get a full-term plant in less time. So that will, once its roots have started to establish and move out more, it will really perk up, and we'll come back and we'll have a look at it, hopefully, when I'm planting it out. Right, that's just a quick one from me. Thank you very much for watching. And if you have any questions, pop them down below and I'll try to answer them. But that's it. We'll come back and look at that in a later video. Thank you. Bye.